Just got your windshield repair system and wondering what's next? Well, we're here to give your business a head start. With Launchpad, you'll get one-on-one help, free content downloads, and a ton of video tutorials. You will get this trusted training and advice from our experienced staff. Learn the essentials to starting your windshield repair business, including signing up with the networks and creating a business plan. Learn one of the most important aspects of the windshield repair business, which is insurance billing. We'll walk you through the process step by step. Learn some of the best ways we found to market your windshield repair business. We want to help you get your name out in the area and start making money. We help you build realistic goals for your business. We'll be running through our business timeline with you as well to help shape your business's future. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us.